Your ancient starseed powers are coming online now, dear one. This is a pivotal time in humanity's evolution. At this time, right now, it is kind of a all hands on deck situation, if you will. In a good way, dear ones. Yes. Humanity has made leaps and bounds on this journey of awakening. And now we are able to assist you even further. We are the mediators, or the go-in-betweens, or the wayshores between humanity and the new earth, between humanity and source. So we're just in between. We are not the main focus here, dear ones. We are simply assisting. We are simply here to help. Upon your asking, and with your permission only. Now, what is happening right now on an individual level might feel quite intense. And we hear you, we hear so many of you asking what is happening to me. I'm not able to concentrate. I feel dizzy. I feel disoriented. I forget things sometimes. And overall, I just feel also very uneasy because everything is changing so rapidly. Everything is progressing so rapidly. Perhaps the last year has been very tumultuous for you as well. And that was important. It was the breaking away of the old situations and circumstances and people and things and jobs and relationships, families. Perhaps people left you. Perhaps people crossed over, transitioned. Perhaps a job situation changed. Perhaps you moved. All these different things. Perhaps physically something changed drastically. Yes, it was a breaking open of all of the old stagnant illusion realities, and they are ready to fall away, and they have fallen away now. Now they made space for the new realities to come in for you. And with it, this physical vehicle of yours and your emotional body and your mental body have to be upgraded. And this upgrade includes many, many different activations of cells, cell information, DNA information, your energy body, your auric field, and everything is being completely transformed, especially in your nighttime when you are asleep. Everything is coming online right now. All systems are coming online. And what is important right now is for you to notice clearly how your thoughts are changing, and you are able to determine more clearly which are positive thoughts and which are negative thoughts. And then you can choose what to do with the negative thoughts, with any judgment, fear, anxiety, hate, perhaps anger. And sometimes you also feel love and bliss and joy and ease and flow and creativity and connection. So you are now coming online in truly seeing more clearly, oh, this is a good thought. This is a good feeling. I want more of that. And then there's another negative thought, negative emotion, and you can now choose to say, no, I don't want that. And at that time of coming back online, it is important now to keep choosing. There are many, many forks in your thought patterns, and you keep choosing. You keep choosing, And you keep choosing love, you keep choosing love, you keep choosing love. How do you do that? In the midst of feeling very angry, for example, or very judgmental, or very stressed, or very isolated, or lonely, whatever it is. Here is a quick little exercise that you can do. Place your hand on your heart center and breathe. And then say in your mind, only love is real. Everything else is not real and doesn't exist. Yes, this is now something that your mind will say, oh, it sure does exist. Yes, all the bad things, they do exist around me. But what you are doing with this particular mantra, only love exists and everything else is not real and doesn't exist, is you choosing what is real and not illusion. Because you are leaving the illusion. And you need to say goodbye to the illusion thoughts and feelings and realities. Now, you'll have to start somewhere. And you might still be in the midst of the illusion of an unpleasant experience. But the only way to start changing is with this very simple, easy to do mantra and gesture. Only love exists and is real. Everything else is not real and therefore doesn't exist. And the more often you do this, and the more you let it sink in, the more you will begin to feel it. And the more you feel it, the more it will begin to work. On small things, perhaps, maybe smaller things will start to shift quickly. Continue doing that. Continue doing this one simple exercise. And you will notice that the bigger things will start to shift. But the illusion mind is very persistent. So you need to be more persistent and consistent with that. It is so simple to do. It is as simple as breathing. But you will notice over time that things will change because you are on your way out of the illusion into the new earth reality. Do this for a while and continue doing this because you will notice that it will become second nature to you to choose love and to acknowledge that everything else is not real. In the new earth reality, there is only love that is real. Only love is real. And so you begin to forge a path towards the new earth. We hope this was helpful and will be helpful for the days and weeks to come. You are turning a massive ship around because you have been on a very certain direction for a long time. And your thought patterns have been deeply ingrained in this. So now it is time to change it around, and more often than not, you will catch a thought, a feeling, and you will change direction.
Before we go, ETARA has a gift for you. I've been guided to offer true transmissions, completely free, for those of you who are ready to go deeper. These are not reports, they are not AI generated. There is no algorithm behind these words. Every word was channeled directly through me from ETARA, the Pleiadian-Sirian-Arcturian Council of Light. You won't find this transmission anywhere else, because ETARA speaks only through this channel. And here's what makes these different from anything else you've downloaded. Each guide includes a frequency activation. That means, as you read, you're not just receiving information, you're being activated. The transmission responds to your energy field. It works with you. There are two paths. If you are newly awakening, And if you're feeling an inner pull but aren't sure what it means, the Starseed Awakening Guide is your starting point. ETARA will meet you there. If you already know that you carry galactic origins and you're ready to discover which civilization of light you came from, the Galactic Origins Guide will show you which of the 8 civilizations of light your soul belongs to and what it means for you and your path. The link is below. It's free. All you have to do is say yes.